Hey guys, so still working on the car. The next project is to get the other AC components out. As you can see, splitter is taken off. It's actually right here. And this thing has been beat up. If we take a look, yeah, we got some scuffs, which is fine. No problem. But when I smacked my splitter on the ground from leaving the shop, rip that out. So hopefully there's no damage underneath, but I'll take a look. And we'll start getting the compressor out, and then eventually the condenser that's in front of the radiator. All right, be right back. So we got an update. We got the compressor loose, but I can't take it out from up here because the hose is in the way and the fan's in the way. And to remove the fan, I have to remove that coolant hose, which means I have to drain the system. I was trying to avoid this. I could have taken off the sway bar mount right there and dropped the sway bar. However, I can't take the radiator out or the condenser out without taking the fans out. So I'm gonna have to do this anyways. So we're gonna let this drip. And yeah, I'm ecstatic about what I'm doing right now. This is so fun. Update. We got the reservoir out. We got the compressor out. We got the condenser and the radiator out. We also have a crap ton of dirt everywhere and coolant. But the dirt is actually from my offs at the track. That's the condenser. It's filled with dirt. My radiator is filled with dirt. So I'm going to be cleaning all this up. Well, not that one. The radiator. And I'm going to clear the fins in the back just to make sure that they're, working efficiently. But yeah, we got this out. I got to find a bottle to put this in. Got a few over here. Maybe I'll clean that out because I know if you mix some oil and coolant, the people that you drop it off to aren't too pleased. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. So I'll be back. All right, guys, it's a little loud, but we are running the car. We have no codes at the moment. We had one in a hot second because I forgot to put back my MAF sensor plug. But yeah, we're just running it. See if the temperature rises. I did fill up like almost a gallon after draining it to get the condenser out, and we're just waiting for that. When I drained it out, I already had this filled up. I already had this jacked up, so I only lost about a gallon, and then whatever was left in my old bottle, I started to put back into my radiator. But as you can see, I forgot to put in the lower radiator hose, and I had to clean that hole up. So this is about how much I've lost already. But we'll get the temperature running, we'll rev it a few times, and we should be good on the coolant. And then all I have to do is attach all the cowl back here. And that should be really it for removing the condenser and removing the compressor. Now, I did also remove the idler pulley there. It's right there. That is not used anymore on DE engines. But I know this is a new belt, so I'll have to check the deflection on that after a few drives. So hopefully that stays on and it's good, and hopefully my coolant flushes proper or bleeds properly. So that's it for this video. It's cold. I'm getting a lot of carbon monoxide because it's not flowing out of my garage. So I'm gonna open my man door And that'll be it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.